Facts about the Amazon that will leave you interested and terrified. Fact 1. The Amazon has rivers in the sky. The trees of the Amazon release over 20 billion tons of water vapor into the atmosphere each day through transpiration, creating flying rivers of moisture that influence rainfall as far away as Texas, Africa, and even Europe. Fact 2. It's so dense, some places never see daylight. In the heart of the jungle, the canopy is so thick that less than 1% of sunlight reaches the forest floor, creating an eerie eternal twilight teeming with fungi and bioluminescent organisms. Fact 3. Underground forests. Scientists recently discovered that parts of the Amazon have vast networks of fungal mycelium and root systems extending deeper than 30 feet, essentially forming an underground forest ecosystem that communicates via chemical signals. Fact 4. The vampire fish can swim up your body. The kangaroo, a tiny parasitic catfish, is infamous for its terrifying though rare behavior of swimming up bodily orifices. Though exaggerated in legend, it's feared across the region. Fact 5. There's a spider that hunts fish. The Goliath bird ear gets all the fame, but the fishing spider of the Amazon literally sits on the water's surface, waiting to catch small fish, tadpoles, and even frogs with lightning speed. Fact 6. A single tree can host 70,000 plus insects. Just one Amazonian tree can be home to over 70,000 individual insects from thousands of species. Many of these species haven't even been documented by science. Fact 7. The jungle has zombie fungi that control animal minds. The Ophiocordyceps fungus infects ants, hijacks their brains, and forces them to climb to a high point before killing them, so it can sprout a stalk from their corpse and rain spores down onto others.